GoPro stock is up 27% today. Not because of a camera, because GoPro just told Wall Street it is going to build stuff for the military. Wait, what? This is the same GoPro that was on life support 6 months ago, down like 90% from its peak, getting lapped by DJI and Insta360, basically a meme stock for nostalgic surfers. Then Monday, they drop a brand new professional cinema camera lineup that could honestly punch Blackmagic in the face. Then today, boom, a second announcement sends the stock ripping in pre-market. The action camera company suddenly has a defense story. Let us unpack both. Okay, Monday first, GoPro launched the Mission 1 series, 3 cameras built for real filmmakers. The headline model, the Mission 1 Pro, shoots 8K at 60 frames, has a 50-megapixel 1-inch sensor, 14 stops of dynamic range, and runs on GoPro's brand new GP3 processor. The wild one is the Mission 1 Pro ILS, same guts, but with a micro 4/3 lens mount. GoPro, the GoPro, is making an interchangeable lens mirrorless camera. Pre-orders May 21st, on shelves May 28th. Pricing reveal at NAB next week. Stock on Monday? It actually dipped. Traders shrugged. Fast forward to today. GoPro announces it is exploring opportunities in the aerospace and defense markets, basically applying the GP3 chip and their tiny ruggedized imaging tech to drones, military cameras, situational awareness systems, that kind of thing. Wall Street reads defense contractor multiples and the stock pops almost 19% pre-market, then climbs to 27% up on the day. 2 very different announcements, one very obvious comeback attempt. GoPro is basically running the Palantir pivot playbook. Consumer hardware is brutal, margins are garbage, China's eating your lunch, so you quietly slide toward the government contract buffet where margins are fat and competition is thin. The Mission 1 is the glamour play for filmmakers. The defense pivot is the grown-up money play. Whether either actually works is a totally different question, but for the first time in years, GoPro is not just trying to survive, they are trying to matter again. So, cinema cameras on Monday, defense tech on Thursday, stock up 27%. Is GoPro actually back, or is this a hype trade waiting to dump? Drop your hot take in the comments, smash that subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.